Hey guys, it's me Nashra, and I'm outside my backyard, and I just wanted to get a video of my kitten. So here he is. He is half a month. He's just going on me. Like, he's so cute. That's my sock. You know why? Because he favorite toy. Well, it's not a toy, but he loves it. So that's what he eats. He doesn't have any water, so I'll be putting some water in that. So he eats. Can you hear that? That's his bed. This is his carpet that I put it in because we don't really need it inside the house. So I just put it in here. So that's my cat. And I also have pigeons that you will see right now. So this is my front yard. Not sure. And when you go, this is my backyard. Pretty big. That's my barbecue, and that's my bins. This is my pigeon cage. So these are all of my pigeons. Some of them are flying right now, so I don't think you get to see some of them. So that's some of them. And yeah, I pretty much think you like them. This is my cat again. He's black and white, as you can see. And pretty much, this is my backyard. And that's my garage. It's my cat. Yeah. So I'm going to carry him. Whoops! Sorry, guys. I just grabbed my cat and then he rolled over. He loves that tree. Like, he always goes next to it and he plays with it like that. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed my video, and subscribe and like, and yeah, share. Bye. Bye, guys.